Hey, welcome to another day. Thank you for coming back. I'm looking for some advice. I always ask in my videos, what would you do? It's kind of windy. I got the Hero 7 Black, and you know I'm going to get the Hero 8 Black when it comes out. I'm heading to the store because I got the funds to go get myself, right? Here are the funds right here to go get the Rode Wireless Go. Be a perfect opportunity for this shop. Put it right here, get the videos going. But what if the GoPro Hero 8 has its own microphone and no longer the Pro Mic 3.5mm adapter? Meaning, they've done away with the 3.5mm port. Then the Rode Wireless Go is going to be useless, and I have to use the Hero 7 Black and my other cameras and other devices for it. That is something to think about. I'm going to hold off until the Hero 8 Black and the accessories come out, and then make a decision. I also got some other things to talk about. Let's get going. Getting some things together. I lost the battery. I need to gain the battery. And I think it's like a 320 mAh for the cameras, the keychain cams. And I'm looking at the Mini. I don't know if I want the 1080p and a little heavier camera, especially when I'm getting back into RC flying. But you never know. What would you do? Order a battery for about $5 to $8, or get yourself a $60 camera and be up to date with a little higher quality. Let's continue on. You all know that I'm going to get back into the hobby, and no need for me to get a Hobby Zone Champ. But the Radiant is a glider, and that does everything the Champ can do and more. The good thing is I still got my sports cub, man. That's a 4 channel. So I'm not sure if I want to go any higher than the class I'm in, 250 and under. So what are your thoughts about that? Keeping in the same class as legal fun. Let's get out of here and go have some fun doing something. Capturing a walking tour. That's what Coney Island's about. Enjoying the fun, but you gotta be on season. Boy, am I glad I held off with what I wanted to do and get. But some of the things I do want to know about is a little bit of research. Recreational flying. Do I need to have a license? Or do I just go register to FAA and be on my way? I kind of know the answer to that question for the reasons of, it's just not a $5 a drone that you have to register each craft for. I know you gotta pay a good $100+ just to go take the test. And then you need to have your numbers and licenses on the craft, commercial or recreational. Commercial's a little bit harder, that I know. So that's one good reason why I keep to the sub 250s and under. It's legal to fly, keep your nose clean and out of trouble. So any information you need to know is all out there. I'm just looking for some advice on certain things. On that note, I appreciate you stopping by while it's nice and calm down this rocky road. I'll see you on the next videos to come. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe. One of the good things out of this is, at least you know from 10 years from now, you know exactly what I was talking about, than hearing some music put behind. So on that note, I'll catch you all later.